Hello friends. Are you in the searching of a book which contains entertainment, romantic, motivation? Are you interested to read a book which is not a complex but as a easy, simple to get the things in the story? Then Once Upon an IS Exam is here for you. Now we will see in details in short about this book. This book is about romantic journey of a UPSC aspirant. Center of the story is Vishi, who is preparing for UPSC exam. The story begins with the failure of Vishi at the first attempt in prelims exam. Naturally, he felt so sad because of his hard work of a year is wasted and dreams of his parents couldn't be fulfilled. His father and mother tried to calm him. His father called him and said, "You haven't failed. Your success has been postponed." Overnight, Vishi was thinking about what was the mistake happened. Then Vishi got a call from Ritika. At 2 a.m., who is Ritika? Ritika is a childhood friend of Vishi. In between the talk, Vishi suddenly said, "I love you, Ritika." Ritika was shocked. Ritika is asked for a month to reply. Next day, Vishi went to hub of coaching institutes. He wondered after seeing numerous coaching centers and their big banners and how they create hype about their coaching center. Likewise, Vishi was exposed to coaching center's environment. You will get interesting events of Vishi and his friends in coaching centers. Ritika works in corporate company. Through the Ritika's character, you will get short insight on corporate life. There are many unexpected turnings in this book. Vishi went to another coaching center. He is shocked after seeing Ritika in UPSC coaching center. Ritika is also preparing UPSC exam without informing Vishi. Likewise, you will come across many unexpected events in it. Main features of this book. This book is about UPSC preparation and romantic story. Character of the stories like Vishi, Ritika, parents, friends, UPSC coaching centers are well designed. Emotions of competitive exam student like pain of failure, sad, frustration, pressure, happiness after achieving goal. You will get through the character. This book not only serves as an entertainment book but also as a motivational book. In this book, from beginning to end, you will get attractive and humorous dialogues. Language of this book is so simple. One main thing which we can learn from this book is that we should always be mentally strong for the uncertain events in life. This book is written by a serving IS officer K. Vijay Karthikeyan. So, you will feel realistic approach of character in this book. Negative points. Sometimes you may feel disconnected with the previous chapter to following chapter. You may feel some dialogues and some events are exaggerated, but if you take it as a story, then there is no problem. Last point. Number of the pages in this book is only 139. This is all about Once Upon an IS exam book. If you want to get this book, then link is available in description box. If you like this information about this book, then please share with your friends. To know more such interesting book, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you friends.